Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Comparing Oppo Find N2 5G and Oppo Find N3. Then starting with the display of both devices. Oppo Find N2 5G has screen size of 7.1 inches which falls short to Oppo Find N3's 7.82-inch screen. Oppo Find N3 has OLED screen type whereas Oppo Find N2 5G has LTPO AMOLED screen type. Oppo Find N3 has display density of 426 ppi and Oppo Find N2 5G has only 370 ppi display density. In terms of screen-to-body ratio, Oppo Find N3 has better screen-to-body ratio of 89.6% than Oppo Find N2 5G's 87.3%. Both phones have same aspect ratio of 18:9. The memory capacity both mobiles come with 12 GB RAM. Oppo Find N3 has more internal memory, 512 GB, than Oppo Find N2 5G, 256 GB. Both of the devices have memory card slot. Speaking of the cameras, Oppo Find N2 5G's 50MP plus 48MP plus 32MP triple rear camera outclasses Oppo Find N3's 64MP plus 48MP plus 48MP triple rear camera in terms of resolution. Oppo Find N2 5G will be better choice if you're looking to click lot of selfies as it has better 32MP plus 32MP dual front camera in comparison to Oppo Find N3's 32MP plus 20MP dual front camera. The other technical comparison, both the phones run on Android operating system version 13. On the price, the expected cost of Oppo Find N3 is $1,756.46 and for the Oppo Find N2 5G is expected cost $1,142.86. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.